You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Pinch the flange of the cabin filter and pull it upwards towards you, making small back and forward movements. Take the dust filter that you can find in the video description. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Slide the filter into its housing, paying careful attention to the flow of air. Operation completed.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.